For tutorial 6, I will show you how to use one part and create two parts from it to create the hair of our hero. Alright, for the moment we've got our sketching done and our extrusions done on the main face. So what we need to do is save that object by going up here to the application button and clicking save. And if you've saved it previously, that will go straight to save. If not, it will bring up a window that allows you to name it. So I've named this one face. So I want to keep this as my face item and hit save. Yes. Okay. All right. So we now have our head and we have our face the way we want it. To create a two-part head now, we need to create a sketch on the side for the hair, and then we will extrude that in two different ways to ensure that we have two parts that fit together. So let's do that now. So let's create a new sketch on the side of the face to create the hair. I'm going to pan down again just so it's centered, and I will be using my line tool to create my hair. So you draw on here the shape of whatever hair that you would like. I have currently drawn on there a 45-degree line because that's generally where my hair will be. Alright, I can now measure out the extents of where I want my hair to be located. So I want a slope bit at the front, and then I'm going to step it down and have a slope bit at the back. So to do that, I would continue to use my line tool. I want 5mm steps, and once again 5mm, 5mm. Whoop, let's undo that one, it was at the wrong angle. So just come up the top here and undo, and line again, click, and at 90 degrees we want 5mm at 90 degrees, enter, and sorry, I'm having a little bit of a trouble here. So click line, select the end of the line, and we want 5mm at 0 degrees, and we can then come down and we can create the last of our steps. Alright, before we extrude we need to tidy that up, so let's get that trusty trim out and start removing those lines that we don't need. Alright, and that one there, and you can see now we've got a half slope, half stepped hair. So if we finish our sketch, it is now ready to extrude. But before we do, we should once again save this piece, and we also want to save it as a new part for the hair. So let's go save as. I'll do that again just in case you missed it. Go to the Inventor button, save as, and we want to rename it hair. Okay, and save. Alright, so we're now working on the part that is called hair, and we need to extrude that. So let's bring that back around to the front again, so we can look at it in a way we're used to. Alright, so to extrude this, we need to actually extrude the face away from the head. So we need to do a bit more sketching first, so we can select our face, and we need to join up the lines of where our hair starts and finishes. So we put a vertical line in, down to the bottom of our head and back to the back of our hair, and we can then finish the sketch. Okay, so to extrude that we click extrude, and we should be able to select that face there. So I may need to do a couple little quick sketches to make that work, and I'll come back to that in a second.